Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglou. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate between different scenes within Unity. For this project, I'm just going to call it Navigation. I'm just going to make sure that it's 3D and click Create Project. Okay, to get started, we need to right-click here, select UI and select Text. And with the text selected, we're going to go to the Inspectors panel, and I'm just going to change the value here to read Main Menu. Now, with the text selected, if I place the mouse cursor here within the scene and press the letter F on my keyboard, let's try again, and then press the F key on my keyboard, I will be able to actually see the actual text. Let's click here on the text. Let's bring the text up. If I right click with my mouse and click and drag, and then use the wheel, click and drag on the wheel. So I'm on the other side at the moment. So if I go like that, just turn around and zoom out a bit. Use the right click on my mouse, zoom in. That's better. So basically what I'm doing, I'm using my right click to turn left and right, up and down, and I use my mouse wheel to click and drag. So as you can see, the hand, my mouse cursor changes to the hand. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is right click on the canvas, select UI and select button. The button has another property within, which is a text property. So expand the button, select the text property of the button, and we're going to change the value to Start Game. Again, you can modify the text, change the font size, etc., etc. So I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to go here. I'm going to select this option here, the scale tool. Change the size of the text. Let's select the button. You can change the height, or you can click and drag to increase or reduce the size. Anyway, so once you've done this, we need to go to the scenes, and we are going to rename the scene to Main Menu. Don't put any spaces. Main Menu. The next thing we need to do is right click here, select Create and select Scene. And we're going to call this scene Level 1. I'm going to double click on my Level 1 scene. I'm going to make sure the Main Menu scene is saved. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to right click, go to UI, select Text. With the text selected, I'm going to change the text value on the Inspectors panel to read Level 1. And again, you can customize the text. I'm going to use the Move tool to place the Level 1 label to the top. And I'm going to right click on Canvas again and apply a button. So add a button, UI button. So the text value for the button will read Main Menu. Main Menu. So when somebody clicks on this button, we'll be navigate to the main menu. So I'm going to use the scale tool. Oops, let's click on the button. Let's increase the size. Okay, this will do. Now, the next thing we need to do is create a script. I'm going to right click here, select Create, and then create C# script. Okay, so for this video, we don't really need the void start and void update. We're going to create our own functions. So I'm going to create a new public void. I'm going to call it Main Menu. Open close brackets, enter, open curly brackets. So I'm going to put basically my argument there. I'm going to copy this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. My second function is going to be start game. Start game. Okay. Now, within the main menu, what I would like to do, I would like to basically call the scene manager. Scene manager. Now, the scene manager, I need to basically import the library using Unity Engine dot scene manager. Semicolon to my statement. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say scene manager dot load scene, and within brackets and within quotes, I will name my scene. So when somebody clicks on the main menu, I want to go to the main menu, and then semicolon to my statement. I'm going to highlight now this line of code, and I'm going to paste it here, and the only thing I need to do is change that to level 1, because this is the name of my scene. So the first scene that we had, we called it main menu. The second scene we had, we called it level 1. I'm going to click Save All. I'm going to minimize the script and go back here. So what I need to do now, I need to click and drag this script to my button. So I'm going to select the button. Here's my script, and I'm going to create a click event. So I'm going to click here once, and then I'm going to click and drag my script from here to here. And on the runtime only will be use the script, and then I'm going to basically call the navigation script. So here's my navigation script I've just created. And when somebody clicks on that, I want this to go to the main menu. So when somebody clicks on the main menu, I want to go to the main menu scene. I'm going to double click now on the level 1. Click yes, save, to save it. I'm going to double click on main menu, sorry. I'm going to click and drag now let's expand the canvas first. I'm going to click and drag now the script to my button here. I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to go to the inspectors panel, and I'm going to create a new click event. I'm going to click and drag the navigation script over. Now on the runtime only, what I want to do, I want you to go to navigation, because this is the script I've just created, and I want to click on start game. That's the function we created earlier. So now I have done this. What I will need to do is go to File, select Build Settings, and I need to make sure I can see both scenes here. So I need to select Add Open Scene, click Exit, go now to level 1. Yes. I'm going to go to File, select Build Settings, click Add Open Scene. So now I can see both scenes, and then I'm going to exit that. Now if I test the project now, I will be able to navigate from one scene to another. So I'm going to click here. This will take me to the main menu F. So let's change that. What was a typo? That's better. Okay, let's try again. I'm going to click here. It's going to take me to the level 1. I'm going to click on the main menu, and it's going to take me to the main menu. And this is how you navigate from one scene to another by using Unity. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.